Insert a rounded rectangle, make it all round 100%. Insert circle, duplicate it in 3 and increase their shapes such that it will form a cloud like this. You can pause the video and watch it very well the way it's done. Select all the shape, go to your merge shape and select union. Select circle and duplicate it around your cloud. Duplicate around your cloud. Remove, select all the shapes. Go to shape outline and select no outline. Then right click on any shape there, any shape, right click and go to format shape. Select the cloud in between, change the color, let it look like that of the cloud. Then change the colors of all the circles around it. Go to your icon, select your icons, select icon, distribute it to all the shapes as you can see. Select text box, write whatever text you need to input. Press Ctrl A, change the color, change the font. In other words, format it to your own desired format, just like you can see from the video. Voila! Select both the circle and the icon. Group them by right clicking and select group, or you just press Ctrl G to be fast. Later, select a rectangle, draw it across your slide, format it, right click and send it to the back. Voila! Just like you see. Voila! Then go to your slide, duplicate your slide, go to the first slide, take all the smaller circles, select all the smaller circles, go to arrange from your home, okay, go to arrange, select align, then select align center, then repeat the process, go to arrange again and select middle, align middle. Hide all the circles at the back of your cloud. Then select the second slide, go to your transition and select morph transition. Preview it and that's all.